If you'd like to see how I put together this perfume carousel I purchased from Amazon, keep watching this video.
Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this 360 rotating makeup organizer. I'm going to be using this for an organizer for my perfumes because I have quite a bit of them. So I'll show you some of my favorites later in the video. Now, I'm sure, just like many of you, you like to shop on Amazon. And I saw this online and someone said they got it from Amazon. So I was like, okay, I have to get this. This was about $40. So I'm just gonna unbox it so you can see what's all inside of this box. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is what it's inside of, this foam, to make sure it doesn't break. And I think they had a choice of a smoky colored glass or a smoky colored plastic. And I think it was silver, and I have the clear. Inside of the base plate. So that's what we're going to do right now. Insert the other clapboard into the base plate. So here we are so far. You just put they call it a clapboard. And you just kind of put them on there. That's where we are so far. And the third thing we're going to do is secure the four bottom joints with 4 rubber rings. So it looks like I'm going to have to flip this upside down. Take these rings and put them around these areas right there. Firstly, and push forward to get the other side. Insert the 4 trays into the clapboard slots according to your preference and secure with 8 rings. So depending upon how high or low you want this, that's how you're going to insert them. The little ring. So I'm going to do multiple different heights because I have some perfumes that are a little lower, and I can always go back and rearrange this differently. This is so simple and easy to put together.
So just take your time and read the instructions because it's really simple and to the point, and as long as you don't lose those little rubber rings or anything, everything's going to be nice and secure. At first it'll feel a little flimsy, but once you lock it into place with those little rubber thick bands, everything will lock up and you can adjust it as you like. This is really, really nice, you guys.
Plate onto the clapboard, secure the upper joints with 4 rubber rings. So this goes upward, facing upward, and the cool thing about that, you can also add more perfumes at the very top. So we're just gonna place this on these little tabs. Let's see. We're gonna place these slots here. Hope you can see those slots onto these tabs here. Put together. I have it at different levels. You can have it all on the same level, but I have many different perfumes. They have different heights, different shapes and sizes, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab some. I may even give you a glimpse of how my dresser looks with all these perfumes everywhere. It's quite ridiculous. So just look at this. Doesn't that remind you of like when you're in the store and you could just turn the little turntable thing? This is where we are with it. And of course, this already looks really nice. I'm not gonna add any embellishments or any of that. I think this looks fine the way it is. If you wanted to add something to the side, you could, but look at the detail on this glass here, on this acrylic here. This is acrylic plastic, I believe. And this was about $40. I will have a link available where you can purchase this if you're interested. But let me go ahead and let you know how many of my perfumes I was able to fit.
So you see how much space is taken up on my dresser.
Here are the perfumes that I took off my dresser. This is not all of them. I probably still have about 15, maybe 20 still left up there. So the purpose of me bringing these down is because I want to demonstrate and show you how many of these are going to fit on this carousel caddy here, okay? Some of these are my absolute favorites. Some of them are cool, but I just wanted to bring a different variety of shapes and sizes just to kind of see how what can fit where. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting them on the caddy. But first, let me go ahead and count them so you can know how many I have here. Count. This is 29 bottles of perfume. So we're going to start from the bottom. So you see how I have this one a little lower? That's for something like this. And this is DKNY. Some of these you may recognize. Some of them you may not. Short one can fit. Maybe not. So this is probably the flattest one I have. So what I'm going to do is raise this one up a notch, because the flattest one I have can't even fit on this one. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. One notch. So now, as you can see, this can now fit on here. So the other shorter ones I have, this is Lady Million. This is actually one of my favorites. So if I had a top 10, this would be in my top 10. So let's see here. I can fit that one in there. Or I can fit more comfortably these in there. Well, no, that one won't go. Okay, I can fit 3 of these comfortably, and if I find another, because the goal is to get as many to fit on here as possible. Okay. I could just sit that there. So far I was able to get 4 on here. Now this is a taller area here. I brought taller bottles down just to see just how tall we could fit on here. This is actually one of my, this probably probably be in my top 5. This is Victor and Rolf. And this smells, oh my goodness, it smells so divine. Okay, so that does fit, so that's good. Another tall bottle I brought down was some Issey Miyake. Okay, that one doesn't fit. But that's one that can go to the top. So we'll work on that one later. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys. This is Alien. This is definitely in my top 10. Very powerful smell, but it smells incredible. Like it really says something. This bottle is cute. This Prada Candy, the bottle is actually really cute, but it's not really that much to rave about. To me, I could have got a smaller bottle. Okay. This definitely is a top 5. Emotion. This is, forgive me if I'm saying the names wrong. This is Ferragamo. Salvatore Ferragamo. And I really, really like that one. I really do. Okay, and then I probably could fit one more in here. Oh, this definitely is in my top 5. This one is definitely in my top 5. If I had a top 5, this would definitely have to be in there. This is Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. I love this fragrance. It's so soft, it's so delicate, it's dainty. It's just everything to me, and this is me. This is right up my alley, and I love this. So that can fit there. I'm gonna see if I can fit one more here. I may have some smaller bottles upstairs that can fit, but so far on this one I have 5. So I think that's not bad. Okay, I just made one more fit. This Calvin Klein Eternity. So, well, It's a tight squeeze. It's a tight squeeze, but it's on there for now. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill up the rest of these. Okay, you guys, so far I have 29 bottles on here, and as you can see, I still have some space. I'm going to lower this one notch, and I feel like I can get more on here. I'm just gonna lower this one notch. So I'll be back. I'm gonna grab some more perfume. Okay, so I grabbed 7 more bottles. And what I did is I lowered this. It was up here in this notch. I lowered it so I have more space here. So let's see how many more. I wanna see how many I can fit up here. Ooh.
So you may have to just play around with whatever you're going to put on this caddy, but just take your time and you'll see how you can make things fit.
All of the perfumes on here except for this one. So 29 plus 6 on this carousel, and I think that is absolutely remarkable. So this is going to be very heavy carrying this upstairs. And if I have, and I'm sure I have some other very smaller bottles that could fit here. Oh, as a matter of fact, oh, look at that. I was able to put this one here. Well, it's not comfortable. I don't want anything to fall. Let's see. That's more comfortable there. I was trying to see if I could fit. Okay, there we go. So I was able to move something around, and now, wow, I was able to fit every single last bottle that I brought down on this carousel. I think that is absolutely remarkable. Absolutely remarkable. And this was about $40 on Amazon. So you guys, let me know what you think. Of course, you could put makeup products on here, facial cleaning products. And if you want to be fancy, you could use this as a spice rack if you want to. It depends on, oh, you could put nail polish on here. You can put a lot of different things on here. So I am really digging this. And just imagine how much space I'm gonna have on my dresser now. I may even get a second one. They have different sizes. So I think this one is like the large one. They have them smaller. So I really, really like this. So I hope this video was helpful to somebody. Again, this is about $40, maybe $38, $40 on Amazon, you guys. So that does conclude this video. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, you guys, I really did enjoy this video and putting this little carousel together. Like I said, it says it's a makeup carousel, but of course, like I told you, you could put whatever you want on here. You see how nice this works for perfume. You could do a combination of perfume, hair care supplies, spices, whatever you want to put on there. Just beauty things, period. So there will be a link where you can make a purchase for this. And thanks you guys for watching this video. I still can't believe I was able to fit 36 bottles on here. But thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. If it was helpful, share it on Facebook. And if you are going to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do hit that notification bell. Bye-bye. Be sure to check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10 off for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, V-I-B-E-S, for my subscribers.